Welcome to this technical guide on the Silvercrest. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Silvercrest device is making a strange noise, it can be quite alarming. This noise often indicates a problem with the motor, which could lead to more significant damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring it may result in a complete breakdown, leaving your device unusable. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, some electrical tape, and a replacement motor specific to your Silvercrest model. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. To open the device safely, locate the screws at the back and carefully unscrew them. Gently use a plastic prying tool to separate the casing without damaging it. Once opened, you should see the motor assembly. The faulty component is the motor itself, which may be dislodged or defective. To locate it, look for the part that connects to the fan or any moving parts. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motor, taking note of their positions for reassembly. When extracting the motor, ensure you remove any screws holding it in place. Apply gentle pressure and avoid yanking it out, as this could damage nearby components. After removing the faulty motor, take your replacement motor and insert it into the same position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is firmly in place. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are securely attached to their respective terminals. As a tip, be cautious when working around sensitive components. It's easy to accidentally damage them if you're not careful. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully close the casing and replace the screws to secure it. Before you plug the device back in, double-check that all components are correctly connected and that no tools are left inside. Now you can power it on and listen for any unusual sounds. If everything is working as it should, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you're regularly cleaning your device and checking for any signs of wear and tear. Avoid overloading the device and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for usage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.